Hey gang. Quick update on the force majeure. Just had a quick question, and I want to make sure we're clear. I want to go. This is kind of an addendum to the first class. So on line 431, when it talks about 430, actually, okay. Um, when we talk about have the automatic extension in play once force majeure is in place. Um, Read this line right here with me. I can see my arrow. All time periods, including the closing date, will be extended a reasonable time up to 7 days after the force majeure no longer prevents performance under the contract. Now, let's say we've been discussing a lot of delayed closings right now, but this comes into play now. What about inspection periods? What about financing periods? This to me, again, let's me reiterate one more time, not an attorney, nor are you. There will be arguments on both sides of this, but in my reading of the contract, it says all time periods, including the closing date. So it's not saying only the closing date. So inspection periods, financing periods, those are the big deadlines that you have will be extended. So I want to make sure you understand that if you are representing the seller, you're going to have to let them know that that's the way it is. If you're representing the buyer, that your reading of the contract allows you to do it. Would I try and still get these done ASAP? Absolutely. But if you start to get pushback from the other side, I would point to this line here where it says all time periods. All right, that was just a quick addendum. I wanted to add that to it. Thanks.